Ben Wood riding in lane number 1.
Here we go.
And we got McSweeney at the 5.
Okay, riders, let's set them up.
No, sorry, the 7.
On the gate. Riders ready? Watch your light.
Go, 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 go!
Once again, with a hole shot, it's going to be the 3 by Mark Antonio. McSweeney settling into the 2. Morton settling into the 3. Working their way around here as I get myself a little bit of a snap. Mark Antonio still looking good out there. Sweeney in the 2 spot. Look at this, Mr. Warden. Good job out there, buddy. Excellent work. Probably chop about 5 pounds of steel off that bike. It would make things a lot easier for you. Mark Antonio, there you go, crossing the line.
Is he insulting my guy?
McSweeney on the 23.
All right, guys.
Going sideways, but he gets it done.
Okay, riders, let's set them up.
Warden, we're going to call you the man of
Riders
steel.
ready?
How about
Watch
that?
your light.